In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Drive D, or Local Disk D, not showing up on your computer in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, let's quickly talk about what this problem looks like. You open File Explorer, you expect to see your D drive listed under this PC, but it's missing. Maybe you had it before and it suddenly disappeared, or you just added a new drive and it's not showing up at all. The good news is, in most cases, the drive is still there. Windows just isn't assigning it properly, so it can appear in File Explorer. We're going to use a built-in Windows tool called Disk Management to fix this. Go to your Start menu and type Disk Management, or Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Click on the result that opens the Disk Management window. This is where Windows shows all physical drives and their partitions, even if they don't appear in File Explorer. Take a moment to look through the list at the bottom of the Disk Management window. You should see Disk 0, Disk 1, and so on. You're looking for the drive that you expect to be your D drive. It may not have a letter assigned to it, or it might say something like Healthy Primary Partition without a drive letter next to it. If you see a partition that looks like your D drive, but it doesn't have a letter, right-click on that partition and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. In the window that pops up, click Add if there's no letter, or Change if the wrong letter is assigned. From the drop-down list, select the letter D, then click OK to confirm. If D is already in use by another device, like a removable drive, you can either change that device to a different letter, or simply choose another letter for this drive. After you apply the change, give Windows a few seconds. Then, open File Explorer again and check under This PC. Your local disk D should now be visible and accessible. If the drive shows as unallocated in Disk Management, that means it hasn't been set up with a partition yet, and you'll need to create one and format it before it can be used or assigned a letter. Be careful with this step, because formatting will erase any data on that area of the disk. Once you've confirmed that your D drive appears in File Explorer, you're all set. This simple change in disk management resolves the issue in most situations where local disk D is not showing up on Windows 10 or 11.